Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to track moving objects in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let's get started. First, go over to Fusion tab. Hold Ctrl and press the space to bring up the Select Tool menu. Then type the planar tracker in the search bar. Then click Add and note that planar tracker feature is only available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Then move your timeline slider to the point where you want to begin the motion tracking effect. Then in the Control tabs, select Set under Pattern. Expand the tracker drop-down and select the hybrid point. Then under the motion type, select the translation. Then in your preview screen, draw an outline around the object you want to track. Then hover over the Track Forward button and click it to start the tracking process. And once complete, expand the Operation Mode drop-down and select Stabilize. Then return to the Edit tab. Then if you see a black edges where DaVinci cut the frames, simply zoom in until the black edges are no longer visible. And that's it. Your track object should now move smoothly within your video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.